Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there. I'm going to take you guys with us today. We're here at Shooter's World. I want to be able to just hang out and shoot my gun for a little bit. I hope you guys do enjoy your Mother's Day. Stay tuned, check out our video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace. Honey, had fun? I loved it. Next stop, Shake Shack. I am like obsessed with Shake Shack. I can't even say Shake Shack.
I'm about to shake my shack.
Shake your shack. This is life. I want to try that. Look at this. Oh my god. This. It's good?
Beyond.
I want to see you take a bite. You don't be looking at me like that. Get you a wife that would feed you while you're driving. Alright guys, so we're back home now, and now I have my little kiddos with me. We're gonna go for a little walk and then have some ice cream, and then we're gonna enjoy the rest of Mother's Day. So pretty.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.